this is a really old video. I can't believe I haven't even uploaded it yet. I did this ages ago about my Batt's to hats. I haven't filmed my face on this one, but I'm going to show you a load of stuff. So this bat here is called Lure by Dye Candy, and her products are dyed in her studio in Randallstown, Northern Ireland, and she dyes everything by hand and loves creating new colourways for you to enjoy. I think I got that off the website. But yeah, this was just a really beautiful bat. And I'm just going to take you through my quite a small bat collection and just some things that I've been messing around with recently that I think you'll like. Well, I hope you'll like looking at them. So this is my Manx Lockton alpaca, and I made that up myself. I think that works well. I dyed this with walnut, which was so easy. Got it from a local place. Did I scavenge about on the floor for walnuts around a walnut grove locally to me? Yes, I did. This is the Shetlandy, not sure if it's Shetland, down floof. I need to ask him about that. Sorry, I need to slow down. I just filmed this and I don't know if it's filmed right. Oh, this is my Ushant alpaca. That's in my shop if you want some of that. That's lovely. I think it'd be nice for socks. This is kind of what was on my I've got some Brit spin tops, but I already used loads of it. I've got so much left. It's amazing how far fibre goes. I can't remember what's in it. I think it's got some Exmoor, the white stuff in it, or if it's Corriedale. Sorry, I'm not doing very well at this, am I? This is just kind of random stuff I had left over. But this green is merino. The yellow is the needle felting merino that I had, and the that lovely blue. I'll have to look up the colours that I got, but they're from John Arbon. This, oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is from Dye Candy. I can't buy any more fibre, I've got so much. I don't know if this is silk, but it feels nice. Or that might be silk. So I'll check the what's in it. What's this? Oh, that's Llanwenog. Oh yeah, I've soaked that in alum. So I need to remember that that's got alum in it and dye it with something, okay? And now I'll just tuck this new one in here. You can stay in there until I'm ready to play with you. See? So organised. So these aren't the most pro videos, but it takes so long to set everything up. And I just wanted to show you these really gorgeous colours already. Look at that blue. I think they're showing up alright. And this is like a shiny, I don't know if it does have a bit of silk in it, I can't remember now. Oh, I probably threw the label away. Anyway, she's got some really nice bats. And what I did with this bat was, sorry, I'm in my own shadow. Let's have a look. So the bat is this way, so it's got lines going this way. And what I did was I ripped it down here. I didn't do it, so I sort of ripped these apart like a roving, so the lines were all parallel. I'm doing it so it goes into the spinning wheel like this, like that. So I suppose it's from the fold, but it feels like it's going crossways. It's going the wrong way, really. But yeah, I mean, look at those colours. It really is an art bat. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you doing it, but yeah, I thought you might like to see them. And yeah, so that's a different way, a different technique than I did for my last one. But I think it's working really well. And I just really like the way I've got all the colours. So because there's a stripe this way, I'll definitely get blue, and then blue instead of just... So if I were to rip it like this way, all the colours come together and kind of become blurred. But if I do it so it's sort of from the fold, you kind of get a bit of yellow, then a bit of green, and then, which I quite like, all the different colours, and then when they change colour it has a little mild effect. The only problem was when I'm doing this one, which I don't know if it's silk or not, but it's just very long and then very thin, a bit like the alpaca, I think, because it has a really long staple. So when I get that, I try to have half as much because it lasts really long. This really goes really far, so I suppose it's a problem, but not a problem really, because it goes really far. Okay, I hope that made sense, and yeah, I'll show you more of the yarn that I made, and maybe I'll do a swatch of it as well. Oh, while I'm here, I'll just show you this alpaca, and I've just prepped that so it's got like a long lock, and it's going to be spun from the cloud, worsted spun, and it's so soft. The alpaca was called Rolo. At least she thought it was either Rolo or Lola. And yeah, it's just such a lovely chestnut brown, and it's so nice. I'm doing a shawl with it and it's absolutely gorgeous. Really love this alpaca. I might put some unwashed or washed in my shop if anyone's interested in that. I couldn't find my niddy noddy, so I just found this old bit of quadro and used it as a niddy noddy. I'm hoping it works the same as the conduit one that I've got. It's actually a lot easier to construct the quadro than that, so yay. And oh, look at that. Ooh, I spun it all as singles, and oh my gosh, I just love these colours. The Batt was so nice. I think it's got silk and it's got superwash Wensleydale. I didn't realise it was superwash before I got it, but I mean, those colours, they're gorgeous, aren't they? Right, so soon I'll be making a hat. I've just got to decide what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do a top-down hat, maybe make a pom-pom, and hopefully I've got enough for it. If I don't have enough, then I can always do a brim in a different colour, which would be great. Okay, I'm going to go back and watch the second best exotic marigold hotel now. Ooh, a nice amount of twist in it. Oops. Always fall over when I'm crouching down. There. Oh, it's gonna look gorgeous in skein, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm gonna wash this now. Cool. Right, and here it is soaking. I think it's looking really nice. I chose to do singles just because I couldn't be bothered to ply it or anything, and to be honest, once it's knit up, it's going to be a stronger fabric, isn't it, anyway, than it is. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, oh, look at those lovely colours. Oops. Yellow, green, there's this like blue, there's a pale blue, there's an electric blue, which I love, and it's kind of greeny, bluey. See, it kind of reminds me of those Fair Isle, like there's a Fair Isle cowl that Ella Gordon does, and the colours are just like that, these sort of old blue and yellow colours, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, let's leave it to dry. I'm going to leave it to hang up on a coat hanger with a coat hanger at the bottom, so that basically it'll take out that twist a little bit. Cool, okay, I'll see you on the other side. You can't really see here, but there is like a slight residue of blue. but I think that's quite normal for dyeing, and I think once I've made it there won't be any colour running or anything, but I know that you're supposed to like wash it on hand wash cold usually, I think, if it's indie dyed. I think this is the first time I've really done anything used any indie dyed stuff to spin, so it'll be interesting to see about that. So this is lure that's such a funny word. Lure. I lured him into a trap. Yeah, Lure by Dye Candy, which is really cool. And now I'm gonna have some ice cream and watch some Netflix while I do a bit of spinning.
Yay, what are you all getting up to? What have you spun anything yet? How's it going? I'm really excited. I've heard the Wild Cottage Island lady has been like planning what batch she's going to use, so that's been really fun to see how she's getting on.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, that would be really great. Comment below if you've been making anything as well. I know there are some people out there, Ange from Yarn and Yarns and Carrie from My Wool Mitten as well have been making things. So yeah, comment and we can have a little chat about all the lovely fibre that's out there. Yeah, I think that's it. I'll probably put some videos on here, but I just want to say bye and thanks for watching.